Look at the schedule, all Egyptian battle to kick off. First Dessouky taking on Tarek Momen then. He's working him hard
what
here.
A rally. Using all four corners in this rally. Ah, well done.
That was brilliant.
Yeah, brilliant touches at the front there. Dessouky will be delighted with that though, won't he?
Big time. I mean, what an opportunity now. 3
Yeah.
points clear. He's looking threatening.
Yeah, his tee position is so high up. He's almost in front of the tee now, isn't he? He knows once he's got that good length, he's just
9-5.
getting in front of that tee. Look at him there, he's
really posturing, isn't
yeah.
he? He does it better than anyone.
Yeah, definitely. Makes it look so easy.
4 game balls for Dessouky.
Down.
Another error. Too many.
Dessouky.
First Dessouky.
With 1 game to love.
Feeling very confident.
The shot choices, hasn't he?
Yeah.
And he knows it's best of 3, so and it's yeah, it's edgy. He needed that, Tarek. That was a big point.
Yeah, it was massive.
Oh, what a rally. Fantastic rally that was.
He does love, unintentionally in this scenario, but he does love a scrap.
Yeah, he does. Oh, he did him. What a shot, great variation there. Very smart, normally he's been playing that straight drop there, just the last minute puts that little variation
Each player
in.
has 1 review available.
Game ball for Momen to put this into a 3rd. Here we go. Here's the exchanges. Why is he not hitting them?
No left. No left. 12-10.
He's not learning.
He's not learning. He's at an absolute clanger.
Yeah, that's a nice shot. Tarek just opening that rally up with that boast, and as soon as he hit that, I thought it sensed trouble there. He was on the back foot after that rally. Uh-oh.
Oh, not bad for somebody that's
Oh, wow, that's fantastic.
I'll tell you, that forehand pressed me loads. He was full stretch. He's had so many issues with a bulging disc, and look at that. And then taking that out. I mean, a lot of people would have gone straight from this backhand intercept, and he turns it back cross court.
Yeah.
It's not many.
Oh, wow.
What a get.
What a shot.
What a get from first Dessouky. What a get.
He loved that one.
That was outrageous. That was pure quality to get. I mean, he made it hard for himself out there, but he confirmed the quite convincing 3rd game victory. Oh, there we go. 43 minutes, 2-1 victory for Ferris.
Yeah, definitely best of 5. You were more relaxed. Today I was a bit nervous. Even in the 2nd game I was 10-7 up and I was so nervous. And you know, I said to myself in the 3rd, so I have to give it everything on court and not to think about losing the match, because if I started thinking of losing, I'm gonna lose. So, and I want to have the positive mindset.
Yeah, I think there can just be a simple safety there. Crack on.
Oh.
that possibility.
This is good work from Crouin. Oh, that was brilliant. He's really under the cosh there, Daryl. Turned it round.
Hustled him well.
He's given it the old chest wallop, straight out of Iron Man.
2-6.
Lovely touch from Mazen. Victor doesn't look like he's seeing the ball that well. He doesn't look like he's moving as well as he was the other day. I don't know whether that's the Black Falcon and not having played him. Like, there's another one. I think normally you would get that.
The thing is, though, you know, you said it before, the head-to-head is, they've not played each other before on the PSA.
Nice lift in there. Victor needs to do that a little bit more just to try and get himself on the tee. Again, just not quite seeing it early enough. Good technique from Mazen from the back of the court. Good attack.
3.
Well, the post nick threaded in. Quality.
Game to Hesham.
Quality.
It's 1 game
It's
to
the world number 9, Mazen Hesham, and he's on a mission to get up those rankings and get some major scalps and start winning some tournaments.
Needs to really find his length. I don't think he quite found it in that first game. Oh, wow. That is outrageous. Such good touch.
2-love.
From a very difficult position.
I mean, I know it's so deep in the court and it's an angle, but it's just played so...
Hand out.
I was just about to say, at least Victor's getting some depth.
7-1.
And then Bosh.
I mean, it's a joke shot. It's a great shot.
Lovely angle as well, see the technique. Here we go.
Appreciated
Hand
there.
out. 2-7.
There we go. Half court could have been one of 10 options for him.
2 games to love.
He's very respectful.
Hesham win 11-3.
Very good. Really impressed with his mindset there, Daryl. Like that. Like to see that on a regular basis from him. Maturing finally. Heaven knows what he'll say in the interview.
I'm looking forward to this.
21 minutes, quick fire stuff. 11-3, 11-3, 2-love victory for the Black.
Yeah, me and Faris have been cheering the course around the world, like in juniors and seniors and injured as well. We've been cheering injured as well together. I think he's such a talented guy, and I think people say I'm kind of the same as well, myself. So I think we bring a lot to squash, hopefully, and we try to entertain people as much as we can. We've been unlucky with the injuries, but I think it's really great actually seeing Faris playing well as well, and seeing me in this performance. Actually, we would love to play more matches. Like we're both actually healthy finally. Of course, it's gonna be tough. Faris, me and Faris know each other pretty well, but I hope tomorrow I bring my A game, and let's see where that takes me tomorrow.
Oh, wicked post.
Oh, goodness me. Wow.
Wow. All set up there from that boast, that attacking boast, that then it just sort of exposed over there, didn't it? Then he just capitalised, and wow, unbelievable shot.
So flat and hard.
Yeah.
Bang. I mean, it literally... squeezing on the sidewall. Just 1 point in it now.
He's definitely looked a little bit unsettled after being 5-0 up and looking so confident.
Well, I mean, it's been a kind of game of two halves, isn't it? It's dominated initially by Asal, who's barking away, to get himself going.
Yeah.
And out 7-5.
And this was a thunderous line. I mean, he literally nearly had both feet off the floor when he hit that.
Oh.
Yeah, he did enough.
Yeah, he did enough there.
11-9, game to Asal.
Wow.
Asal leads
He actually made that shot look quite easy, and it was awkward. He did very well. Good awareness here. Watch this. There, look, make sure where Joel Makin was, and he took it early. That could have easily have gone into the tin. Yeah, good work from Asal.
Getting short so far. Oh, he's gone for it.
Yeah, it's wild.
Oh,
He's done well.
Oh, nice.
He's done very, very well there. So he's on a roll, the old backhand of the Golden Tiger. Firing on all cylinders.
There's trouble. Yeah, again, round that middle.
Just playing his shot, just playing his shot.
He's lost
8-5.
that focus there.
Yeah.
You can see, again, it's loose mid-court, and he tidies up very well.
Oh. Oh, it wasn't. Oh, okay.
Well, we just conjured up a myth there.
Yeah.
Had no review whatsoever, so ignore that.
Whoa!
No, nothing. No, nothing.
Oh!
That's got to be a let ball.
Video referee decision on making.
Got to be a let ball.
Yeah.
I think it's a let ball. It's quite. We talked about, you know, knowing where a player is. I mean, that could have done. I mean, he's as hard as nails, Joel Makin, and that to me, that's dangerous.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
That is dangerous. And there you go. So they've given a stroke.
Wow,
Stroke to Makin, and the decision has been
that was dangerous play. It was dangerous. It didn't need to be that wild.
No.
He's played a drop.
And another one. Oh!
He's hit it! Absolutely wicked. Listen to that. That sounds like we're at Wembley Stadium.
Fantastic.
Sounds like we're at Wembley Stadium. It's unbelievable. Oh, yes.
Oh.
That was. I mean, it was a bit of a wild shot from Makin,
yeah.
but the improvisation here. I don't know how he did that.
That was impressive, yeah.
I mean, that was.
Gosh.
That took some bottle, didn't it?
Yeah.
Well, what an acceleration!
Oh, oh, what a finish. It's a fantastic finish.
He's got such bottle, he's so
Yeah.
confident in taking balls in.
8-7.
You know, in these high pressure
Yeah.
situations, and obviously that's why he is where he is in the
Definitely.
rankings. But
Most people would have
Yeah.
whacked that deep, probably. Just good serve there. Oh, he put it down the middle. That's clever. He's gone for it. Oh, he's dived. Oh.
he's got it. He did it. He's got it.
Match for Asal.
Terrific battle.
Fantastic
Terrific battle.
11-9. 11-13.
Terrific battle.
11-8.
Doing some dance moves.
So there'll be that, and then a delayed massive scream. There is the delayed scream. As we wait for the he's doing it again. The hips are good.
He's still moving well, isn't he?
Well, it's good for the hips, that, to be fair. 95 minutes. Absolute ridiculous.
Yeah, just Joel is unbelievable. You know, to be back and compete on that level is never easy. The guys are so powerful, so strong. You know, like to compete in every tournament, you're having the fitness of the tournament. It's something, you know, in another level. And yeah, I have been training for 2 months and training as much as I can, you know, like 4 or 5 hours a day. But in that level, actually, you should play tournaments. So I'm happy to be back. It's only 2 matches for the trophy. And yeah, I'm going to do it. Yeah.
Both players moving really well round each other, Daryl. You know, it's good, clean movement, isn't it? Clearance and movement, clearance and movement.
Yeah, it is. And Nicky with a little fist bump here. He's perfect either. He's in such a good position on the court. Nice margin of error.
Oh, wow, that was pretty slick, Daryl. I mean, how relaxed was that? Came from nowhere.
7-4. Like he tried really to hit that at all, and it just, yeah, he didn't hit that hard.
All quiet on the Western Front, but the quality of this squash, I mean, this has been a display of pinpoint accuracy to the front and to the back.
Down.
Just catching the tin.
11-5, game to Elias. Elias leads 1 game to love.
High quality first game, as I keep saying, and Diego Elias has come here. He's got his focus on. Wow, just want to be on there. I'm going to get my rackets in a bit. Go for a 12 o'clock hit.
Oh!
Jesus.
That was ferocious.
That was ferocious.
Hand out, 1 love.
Absolute launch pad.
Good width.
Oh,
He's got it as well.
Yeah.
Good finish. Brilliant rally from both players. Good retrievals. And then that is a fantastic counter shot. Played it. See it from that angle.
Oh, my word. Very, very deceptive, that. Right on cue, Daryl. He goes in. Could have easily have been a lob,
Hand
this.
out, 6-5.
Oh, wow. Another good lob. Very good tactic against the Puma.
Good pick up.
Oh, wow. Oh, he's hit the tin.
The error.
He's hit the tin. He'd be furious with himself because he had Nicky Mueller shut out.
Hold. Nicky varying his game really nicely. Look at that.
Oh my goodness me. This, yeah, very, very good. It's brilliant. You know, it's what again. He's very attacking, but it's justified positions. You know, it's justified. He's balanced.
Right side.
And it looks good.
3-2.
Oh wow.
Gone for it.
Oh, he's on the attack now, Nicky Mueller. Whoa! That was outrageous. Tell you what, the old rocket's on biodiesel at the moment, Daryl.
I think it's some rocket fuel. Why not? Never mind biodiesel.
The Peruvian Puma. He's got it again. How's he getting these balls?
It's going to be a roar if he wins this rally.
Of course it will. Oh, he's gone for the lob. He's playing round it. The way he's playing round it.
Doing this.
Oh, nightmare. What a battle. You see Peruvian Pumas smiling like the cat that's got the cream. Nicky Mueller, he's not in a cramp, is he? He's all right. Oh, it's brilliant. What a brilliant match. 2-1 victory. 46 minutes.
Yeah, that was a great match. Nicky's been playing great. He hit some unbelievable shots after the first game, and yeah, I was traveling. The ball got a bit colder, and everything was going in. So, yeah, I'm just happy. At the end, I played better, and I could win this match.